These are the elevators at the AC Hotel by Marriott in downtown Nashville. We may be waiting for a while, so I may cut the vid. Yeah, I'm gonna cut here. Okay, this one's here, so. Ooh, look at this. Yeah, I don't know how high we can go. Okay, 21 works. Okay, this is pretty weird. I think these got upgraded. It's got a Kone indicator, but mad buttons. Okay, this is weird. Okay, that is pretty cool. Like the door. And these are fairly basic. Well, I'm gonna get a pic of that. It's got mad buttons and it's got a keypad. I guess these got up. I think we're stopping. Yeah.
I'm sorry.
Totally get it.
Work so hard on that. Just hold your breath. Seeing people I haven't seen in 20 years.
Priorities. I totally get it.
Just hold your breath.
I got it for you.